1. Healthy pink equals perfect care. Rosy pink tongue. You're basically a Michelin star cat parent. 2. Ghost white plus dragon breath equals cat flu. Pale tongue plus bad breath plus dry nose equals your feline's inner volcano is erupting. Swap kibbles for wet food. Add extra water bowls. 3. Goth mode activated black tongue equals parasite party. Do worm stats. Then wash the litter box. 4. Yellow equals liver SOS. When their tongue matches your expired banana, emergency vet time could mean liver or gallbladder issues. What color is your cat's tongue?